It's 11 p.m. at Hanoi now. I'm going to finish my load balancer setup. So in the afternoon, I actually finished the script. So now I will actually run it. So the way I run it is really similar to what I do with really similar with what I have with uh, the um, the etcd. Uh, so basically, I will run the setup Keepalived first. So let me just copy the file name first, and then go back here, replace it, and then change it to LB. So that's definitely the first script I run. So what I expect here after I run this one, I can actually check get Keepalived version. At the same time, I will just prepare for a second script. So here is what I'm going to do. One thing I can do is to actually print out the result. I think that could be a lot better than having nothing. So I will just upload here a register similarly to Keepalived HA proxy. Okay. So now I can check a version. So let's run the second HA proxy setup. .ym. So after this HA proxy things, I think it's quite simple to run it, but to actually have it, what behind it is actually installed on Kubernetes cluster. So I think we will go forward for it really quickly. So now I run array proxy that version. Yeah, so it's pretty good. Just the last thing I do before I end this video is to check the script. Okay, so this is very unfortunately. For some reason, I don't see the API server virtual IP is here. Yeah, so what I do is actually replace this with an actual IP addresses. Good thing I actually check it. If I do not, I will certainly, it will look really bad for me. So now let me try again. Let me try to run the first script again. No, not this one. I would just cut this one out and actually create an output for that. I think that would be helpful for us to recognize what is going on. Yeah, so let's just cut this one now as well. So similarly for the HA proxy, I think I will just cut this the file. I think that would be helpful. So let me take a look. So I think this IP address is correct. The second script I want to check is the Keepalived config. Let me just double check really quick. So our password is correct. I just to log on to the tool to check the same thing. Yeah, so it's actually have the same value, 91. Yeah, just make sure that there's no value is unexpected, so interface is correct, virtual IP is correct, so nothing wrong with that. Last thing I want to check is definitely the HA proxy setup. So we can just print it out. Yeah. So I think we are good. The front end is correct. The backend API server is correct as well. So there's nothing else to think about this one. So we don't need to think about this twice. I see you guys in the next video to actually talk about how to set up the cluster.